out here at Rabbit Dry Lake. We have the classic, one of the classics, SIG Kadet. It wants to take off right. God. Yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's offers a nice contrast to the aircraft. So yeah, so this is one of the classic trainers. This is what, a 60? 4-stroke?
It's a
50.
52.
Got a little 50 4-stroke, 52 4-stroke in it. Little thumper motor. Got a little wind. The wind's just picked up out here at the dry lake. And again, this is Rabbit Dry Lake. So a lot of folks come out to fly. It's about halfway between Apple Valley and this little place called Lucerne. Nice little wing over. It's about a 60-inch wingspan, probably a little better.
Fine.
Just climbs right out. So,
Oh yeah, I can do all kinds
so
of
Brent, this is what, about 8 pounds maybe? 10?
This is probably like 5 pounds.
5 pounds, okay.
Well as thumper. It just
Overshot
has the power, but
that
it's
greatly.
not enough.
Wow, super. Absolutely super. It's a classic